So we have a 2019 Trail Boss here. What we're doing today is we are installing a set of rock slider that I made for the owner here. Alright, so this belongs to a buddy of mine on Facebook. He drove all the way from Baja California to here, and today we're going to install this set of rock slider that I built for him onto the bad boy here. And I've already prepped the lower portion here, the frame, and we're going to be welding it onto the frame. And yeah, I'll show you how it looks like when it's done. This is one handsome truck. Wow. Okay, so let's go have some fun.